I was doing in the preceding video and it cuts, we were talking about orthogonal perpendicular. Okay, so we said that if the two lines they make 90 degree and they meet, we said perpendicular. If they make a 90 degree after a lesson, they don't meet, like this. أنا بعد ما زيتهم ها. This is 90. They meet. Look what I did. I just move it a little bit. I switch my hands. Look guys, I don't meet. Okay, but how the orthogonal? لأن if I move this one, they will make a 90 degree angle. Now what you're gonna write on the copybook, guys? Take part 1 revision all those figures. In the part 1 هيدي الactivity. Okay, so I will finish it. بعدين عنا part 2 form plane horizontal revision in grade 10. Now here if I look at those two lines, let's start the first question. Perpendicular and orthogonal. It's very important to do this. So I have BF and I have AB. The trick I'm going BF AB B. So I have a common letter يعني هون if form 90 بقول perpendicular. So BF and AB they are perpendicular. Now I have BF and AC. أول شيء there is nothing in common يعني أكيد ما في كلمة perpendicular. BF it's the same as I need to try to move BF parallel. Okay, يعني which line is parallel to BF and has something in common with AC بيكون عندي the same letter يلي فيها تكون يا BF I put instead of BF AE أو C to this one I cannot see it CG. So if I move يعني BF it's the same as CG and AC are perpendicular, yes, but I will say about BF and AC لا يعني BF CG and AC they make a 90 degree because the diagonal بيصير في 90 degree. So I'm all orthogonal. BF and AC are orthogonal. And if I translate it, if I move it إذا حتى أنا هيك, okay, this is BF and this is CG, okay, with the third line is down here, okay, هيدي third line بتكون perpendicular. So if I move BF صارت CG, yeah, it's 490 degree, but I say about BF and AC هني orthogonal. Now BF and AD, if I look at BF and AD, the same, or I can move AD. فيني زيح AD I can translate it بصير BC. And I'm talking about BC and BF they form a 90 degree angle, but BF and AD they don't have a letter in common and all orthogonal. Okay, BF and BC خلاص BC به في common. I will see there is a 90, yes there is a 90 يعني perpendicular. Okay, BF and BD كمان هو perpendicular. BF and CD أكيد مش perpendicular the word perpendicular, but if you move BF, if you translate it, it can be CG and CD they are perpendicular. يعني I will say BF and CD orthogonal لأنه if I move them يعني هن هيك guys, okay, هن like this, okay, هيدي CD وهيدي BF. إذا عملت لها translation مثل ما هي like this, it will make a 90 degree angle, but since they don't meet بنقول orthogonal. Guys مثل our room, أنا الروم في وراي هيدا العمود, okay, this one, okay, مع الفلور هونيك قبال اللاين هون نقول orthogonal, but this line والأرض here perpendicular. Okay, so orthogonal يعني ما في intersection but they form a 90 degree if I move one of the lines. عملت لها translation. Perpendicular يعني they meet and they make a 90 degree. Now let's move to part 2. Okay, how do we form a plane? Plane كيف بدي أعمل plane؟ أنا بدي base, بدي شيء، أنا I need my hand، أنا ما فيني أحط القلم هيك it will fall down. It need a base, a plane. So if we have 4 possibilities to form a plane. To form a plane we need two intersecting lines. That's it. How the 2 intersecting lines صار في عندي base، صار فيني أحط عليهم شيء ها. That's it. So I can put something on those 2 intersecting lines. So those are 2 intersecting lines. I can put something on it. So هيدا صار plane. Okay, so to form a plane we need 2 intersecting lines. One line at one point. ليه one line at one point؟ لأن مجرد ما عندي one line at one point, you can join this point with this line. صار عندي كأنه 2 intersecting lines. So one line at one point. فيني أرسم من هالpoint to the other line. صار عندي كأنه 2 intersecting lines. You can see it here. Anywhere I can do it. صار عندي كأنه 2 intersecting lines. 3 non-collinear points لأنه بيصيروا 2 intersecting lines. Look, if I join them two intersecting lines. رجعنا على two intersecting lines. two parallel lines كمان. two parallel lines بيعملوا لي كأنه صار support. I can put here on my two parallel lines something. Okay, so صاروا هودي plane. So how do we form a plane? We form a plane by two intersecting lines. نحفظهم one line and one point, three non-collinear point and two parallel lines. Part 3 now. هولي هينين the first part. It's a revision, okay? So what is the position of two lines? Yeah, I have the two lines. Position of two lines. How the two lines could be. Okay, it's very important to know this. Now, position of قبل line and a plane. بعدين position of two lines. Position of a line and a plane. Okay, this is my plane and this is the line. How could be those? The line can be parallel to the plane. The line can intersect the plane. It could cut the plane. انتبه the intersection of a line with a plane هي a point. Okay, أنا إذا هون بعمل hole بيطلع لي a point. Okay, and a line could be also included in the plane. So عنا three position of a line and a plane. A line could be parallel to a plane. هلا هيك يعني intersecting ليه؟ لأنه I can make it longer. It cuts. So a line could be parallel to a plane. A line could cut a plane, and a line could be included in a plane. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now 4, position of two lines. When I want to talk about position of two lines, very important to see if the lines are coplanar or non-coplanar. قبل ما أحكي عن position شو يعني coplanar؟ Coplanar يعني they are in the same plane. Non-coplanar they are not in the same plane. وقت بيكونوا in the same plane I can talk about that the lines are parallel and then the line they meet, they intercept or they are perpendicular or the line they're overlapping. So وقت بكون عم بحكي عن ذات البلين أنا هيدا plane. Okay, those lines could be like this in the plane. Okay, you can see those lines that are in the plane. جرب على إيدي They could be parallel in the plane. Okay, you can see it parallel in the plane. They could meet, they could intercept in the plane, and they could be perpendicular in this plane, or they could be overlapping in this plane. When the two lines are not in the same plane بنقول non-coplanar. شو يعني؟ يعني أنا بيكون عندي هاللاين هون و this is another plane هعتبر أنا هون like this. هون في plane هيك. Okay, so if it's like this ما في نحكي عن أي position, but when they are like this يعني when they form a 90 when I move them هون بنقول the lines are orthogonal. يعني how they not on the same plane؟ عندي واحد هون وواحد هون بهذا البلين اللي هو like this. هون في بول. So those lines are non-coplanar. So position هي one position أو بيكونوا orthogonal or nothing. But in the same plane I can have them parallel. I can have them they intercept ويعملوا 90 degree يعني perpendicular, or they could be coinciding. Okay, that's it. هلا I will stop here the video لأنه part 2 صرنا position of two planes قبل and then we will move. Position of two planes كمان easy. Those are two planes. The two planes could be parallel planes. The planes could be secant. How the secant plane like this, and their intersection is what? It's a line. Okay, that could be secant and their intersection is a line. فيهم يكونوا secant مش بس هيك يعني في يكون هيدا plane the other figure وجاي ال copy book like this cutting it. هلا all those figures they are in the book. Okay, هلا فرجيكم اياهم like this and they could be overlapping. Okay, that's it. هلا part 6 يلي هي angle between two lines هيدي I'll do another video بس I want to show you those in the book. هلا انتبهوا you cannot follow the book exactly the same. أنا في قصص بالbook يعني it's not the same order. أنا I changed the order. أنا عملت قصص شوي different. Okay, so I want to show you this is the book ها only position of two lines هون غير. Just want to show you. See, it's totally different than what I did. Mediator planes are on. It's not here. How the information كلهم بgrade 10. No, now I will يعني after the second video هول كلهم بgrade 10. هلا انتبهت. So part رح تكون part 6 بلشت بgrade 11 يعني تخيلوا part 6 it will be grade 11 اللي هي angle between two lines here. يعني هون أنا بدي بلش هون هلا angle of two lines اللي هي حتكون part 6. This is in the grade 11 curriculum. Okay, that's it.